This is Harley. Harley writes blog posts on a content team. Jordan here reviews Harley's work, and Jack's work, and Leslie's too. Or he does, when he can find it. Welcome to Tooltips, where we share new and surprising ways to use Airtable. Today, I'm going to help you and Jordan smooth out their approval workflow. Whether you need a deep edit for voice and tone, or a quick sign-off from legal, reviews and approvals are part of almost every workflow. But without a clear process, steps get missed, projects get bottlenecked, and your whole team, like Jordan's, spins their wheels. So let's explore a few ways to make this content approval workflow run smoothly. You can get oversight on the status of every item in a workflow with a Kanban view, or filter down to items and review in a grid view so they're all in one place. You can also make reviews proactive by notifying approvers when something is ready for their sign-off, and make it easy by giving them a beautiful interface with everything they need to approve. So first, let's talk about setting your base up for an approval workflow. Then we'll talk about the different views or interfaces approvers like Jordan can use to, approve things. And finally, how to get in front of it all using custom notifications. Approval workflows require two elements. You'll need a way to signal that an item is ready to be approved, and a way to say who is responsible for that approval. Let's build a workflow for Jordan and their team. I'll use a single select where one of the options is ready for approval, and another is approved to specify when things have been approved. Next, I'll add a collaborator field to specify who the approver is for each item, and here I'll assign Jordan to a few of them. With these two fields in their base, we're ready to give every reviewer a view, get it, into their pending approvals. A few options here. First, I can create a Kanban view stacked by the status field, so records with the same status are together and easy to distinguish. Option 2 is to filter down to records that are ready to review in a grid view, so approvers see everything that needs to be reviewed in one place. Option 3 is to create a record review interface where reviewers only see the items they're responsible for. I can filter the record list element to only show records that are ready for review and where the approver is the current user visiting the interface. So if Jordan comes to this interface, he'll only see the blog post for which he's assigned to review. Next, I can add a button that approves a project using the update field action. 3 different options for making it super easy for Jordan to see what he needs to approve in one place. Now that you know who, what, and where reviewers have to go, let's make it even easier by notifying them when new items are ready to be reviewed. With Airtable automations, you can send custom notifications at precisely the right time. In this case, I want to send a notification when a record in the content table has status ready to review, so I'm going to pick when record matches condition as my trigger. And my condition will be when records in that content table have status equal to ready to review. Now what I want this automation to do is to send a notification to Jordan if he's the reviewer on this particular piece. I can send an email, a message through Slack or Microsoft Teams, or even a text message using Twilio. Let's pick email because that's what Jordan prefers for review request. From here, I'm going to send this email to the reviewer of the piece. Furthermore, I can provide context in the subject and the body of the email. In the email itself, I can link to the specific item that needs reviewing by including the record URL. Jordan might want to batch reviews together, so I can also include a link to the interface we just created that has all of their outstanding reviews in one place. Automated notifications that provide the reviewer a smooth experience. That's a win for Harley, Jordan, and the whole team.